I just saw this platform, Whop, and the first day on using the platform, I made about $50 from it. That was very fast. I even shared it on my Facebook timeline. You can see the proof there. And now about 1 to 2 months ago now, I have made about $1K from this platform. It was so fast. You see a platform and you less than 2 months, you have made about $1K. That's pretty fast and amazing. And normally, so there are ways people can make money fast online. Or like, okay, I want to start researching more ways that people can use to make money fast online. I'll be sharing them with you. So if you know you want to make money fast online, then you want to like this channel, like my video now, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any update I'll be sharing with you, because there are updates that you can start using immediately to make money online very fast. And I'm not gonna be this is I'll be showing you how to do it step by step, because I will try it out before I share with you. Don't let anybody make you feel bad for looking for a way to make money online fast. You see, most times the fastest way to make money online is the smartest way. You don't have to use 6 months to learn a skill and wait for another 6 months again before you start making money online, when there are opportunities that you can just start today and you can start making money today immediately. And I will show you how to go about all of these opportunities in this my new YouTube series titled How to Make Money Fast Online. And today is the part one, and I'll be teaching you a business model whereby you can start today and in less than 1 week you can make it up to 100K weekly consistently. It depends on you, and it's pure sure working. It's physically legal, but it's legal, I promise you. So today is the part one of our how to make money fast online YouTube series videos. And today I'll be teaching you Whop Arbitrage. I hope you know what arbitrage is all about. You buy dollar and you sell it for profits. Let's say you buy dollar 1,000 naira per dollar and you are selling for 1.5 per dollar. So that means if you buy $50 and you are buying them 1,000 naira per dollar, so you spend 50K, then you now sell it and you are selling it for 1.5. So it'll be 50 times 1.5. It will not be 25K. So you now do 25K minus your capital of 50K. That is 25K profit, sharp profit. Whop arbitrage. So the platform is Whop. Okay. There are so many arbitrage systems, but this one is specifically for this platform. And it's not vampire, it's not popular. So you're among the first person that is seeing this video. You're among the first person that are introduced into this business. And you can start cashing out like me. You can see the proof here, proof here, proof here, proof here. And I will show you how to do it step by step. Tell you everything you need and how to go about it. You don't need to send money to anybody. You will learn it and you can start doing it. So I'm not selling you a course, okay? I'll teach you everything you need. So if it interests you, ensure you like this video. Drop a comment where you are watching from, subscribe to my channel and share to somebody else. Now, before I show you this step-by-step guide to get started in the Whop arbitrage business, it is important that you know what Whop platform is all about. You see, because that is a fast way to make money online does not mean it is dumb. You have to be smart to make money fast. So to get the knowledge about this platform is very important so that you will know how to progress faster like me. So I have done a video that talk about what is Whop. So I've also done another video talk about how to make money from Whop content rewards program, and also a video about Whop affiliate marketing business. So I will leave all these three videos link in the description of this one for you to watch them after this one to learn more about this platform. Now with that said, now let's just now start the tutorial of how to start making money fast with Whop arbitrage business. No comma, no jaga jaga. Let's go. Okay, guys. So you want to make money fast, and this is the update I have for you. It's called the Whop Arbitrage. This is so new, it's very very new, that if you take it serious in the next few months, you'll be able to be banking at least 100K every week. And if you go faster, 100K can be daily. You see? Now, this is something I've been doing. I know I make something, I make over 100K, right? Because of how far I have gone. So, and I'm showing you some proof. You can see some of my account, and you can see my account here. But I'm already a work partner. I'm already in a work partner program. And this is my second month of using this platform. And you can see my account here. Let me show you my withdrawals. so that you see that it's real, see the balances. I just even placed another video today for $42. See this one, 159.98, 194, and so on. Okay, so this is an amazing platform and very new. And if you take it serious, you make a lot of money, and you don't not require you to be an expert in anything. Like I said, you're here to make money online fast. So I'm not here to teach you everything about this platform, but teach you what you need to do in the platform that will make you the money fast. So what is needed for the Whop Arbitrage is the platform Whop, which is here. So if you don't have a Whop account, I'm going to drop my referral link in the description of this video. Can you use it to create a Whop account? It is 100% free. Then small papers. And like I said, like even though this is a fast way to make money online, you need to know the basic of the platform so that you'll be able to capture uh everything I will show you on how. So tapers are people who use this platform to tape businesses, influencers videos. Okay, so these are people we need. So there are other people who use Whop platform, brands use it, influencers use it, but we don't need them. People we need are the what? The small, but they don't even need the big paper, they don't even need the agencies. This is a very big platform. So we want to focus on the what? The small clippers. Okay. So that this is us and this is cash. So if we this is a straight line to making money from Whop arbitrage every day. Whop is the main feature. Okay. Main feature of Whop is it provides clipping deal. Provide clipping deal, that means it connects clippers and businesses. Now clippers they clip for brands and aim. Okay, and for businesses, they use work to get clippers who pay for them and they pay them. So how does the arbitrage work? Because that is where you will be able to make money from this platform faster. Before the arbitrage, we have to find a problem. Okay, so what is the problem that makes it possible for us to be able to make money from this whole platform using an arbitrage business system? Number one, what made it possible for brands to ban third world countries from the campaign? So there's a feature on Whop here that makes it possible for the businesses to ban a certain vision of people. So you can see there are so many businesses here you can see on the platform. So many, we have music campaigns, we have, you can even check the one that has made the most money. You see the campaign, so there are a lot of deals, transactions that are going on in this platform every minute. Okay, and this people now the business the platform gave the businesses the ability to restrict some what countries people from the campaign, mostly the third world countries. So that is the problem. Okay, so we take note of it. Secondly, what won't allow verification via Stripe, making it impossible for countries restricted from Stripe to verify and withdraw their earnings. So that is an opportunity also. It is a problem. So every problem is an opportunity. Okay, so that is what you need to know. So that means the only people who are going to be able to withdraw from this platform or verify their account are those people who live in a country that is where Stripe is allowed. Okay, or where Stripe is not restricted. So that is also a problem for some people, and those are the problems we have to solve through arbitrage business. Now, how to make money fast online? The facts on the Whop arbitrage: most bad ass scrapers are from countries restricted by Stripe. You see, so the people who would actually do the real clipping for businesses, they live in a country where Stripe is restricted, and that is the problem for them. They cannot access the banking system, the finance system in Whop. They won't be able to verify their account, nor withdraw their earnings, and Whop has no solution for them. You see, so that means the make who do the main job of clipping in Whop, they have no way to withdraw their money. So this is where the opportunity is coming from. Now, the big clippers who live in the first world countries don't necessarily clip for clients. They're not necessarily clip for clients. So they hire small clippers who live in third world countries. Those who may not even find it difficult to withdraw or verify. You see, so the big clippers where they'll be able to withdraw and verify, they don't even do the main job. They hire small clippers who will not be able to withdraw and verify, and they don't even provide the solution for them. So that is the area, or this is the point where we are going to come in as the arbitrage between the small clippers and Whop. Okay, so this is where we come in. So Whop is small clippers. You have to find clippers in it, but can't withdraw. So we buy their Whop from them, we pay them, and we withdraw. So we bridge the gap with their withdrawal. That means we should be able to withdraw from the platform and verify. Now, what are the requirements to be able to use this business model? The requirement is you need to have access to a Stripe account. Okay, so you can go to stripe.com to create an account. It's free, but you have to be in a country that is eligible to use Stripe. So if you be in a country that's eligible to use Stripe, you can get a Stripe account. Or if you know your way, then you can bypass it, yeah, and get an account. That's all good for you. If you have an account in Stripe, you can verify your work account, and you have access to what? To withdrawal. So this is the major or the primary requirement for this business model. Now you have to find and make deal with work papers. The next stage is to find and make deal with work papers, preferably the small clippers who are unable to verify their work accounts. Okay, so they cannot verify, they cannot withdraw. So we find them, and what we negotiate the percentage or rate. Either we create a partnership with them, or we buy their funds at a lower rate so that we make profits when we do the exchange. So the more source of funds or the more smart clippers we have in our system, our analytics system, the more money we make. So let's say you can buy a WOP dollar for $1 as 1,015 naira, and you can sell it at a high rate of 1,500 naira, depending on the current exchange rate. So you definitely know the rate so that you make your profit. So that means you make 450 naira per dollar. So if you buy $50 worth of WOP dollar in one day, you make 22,500 pure profit, no stress, and it's super fast. You see, so this is how it works, and this is the requirement you need. So you work a step accounts, refile the work accounts, and then you find papers. You are good to go. Let's go further. Now, where do you find papers? Of course, I will not be hacking. How will you find papers? You can find papers in social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, any social media platform. They have specific work group where they share updates, share concerns, share their worries. Go where these people are hanging out, and you see those people who need people to help them withdraw. You see those people who are suffering from verification, so they need a way to withdraw. Then you chat them up, and then you make your deal. You can also access the message section and reach out to people. Okay, you can also access different work platforms, different work group, and reach out to people who are already in it. Okay, to not waste your time, you can go into individual work, reach out to the small earners. So that is the goal, is the small earners, those people in like $100, 200, 50, 500. They are the small earners. So they may not be have a way to withdraw. So you help them draw. Those people who are earning so big, like $10K, they are not small earners. That means they have a way to withdraw. So they are not a target audience. So the small earners are the way we are going to make money from the Whop arbitrage business. And you just need like 5 or more of them to make more money. So simple. Compounding it. Okay. So you can also check on YouTube videos about work, the company's run, social media focus group, work leaderboard. Okay, the work leaderboard also. Then you can also make awareness of the service, and anyway it seems fit to make more. I know that you help people to withdraw from work. You do it. Now things to note. Why are you doing this business? Withdrawal from work takes 7 days to drop to your bank account. So let me say when you make a withdrawal on this platform, it takes 7 days before the money is paid to your account. But you don't have to worry. So example, I just placed withdrawal for $42.76, and it's when it is approved, it will take 7 days before it will get to my account. So it's simple. I done a tutorial video that shows the step-by-step guide on how to withdraw from work. So if you want to watch that video, I drop the link in the description of this one for you to check that. Okay, so that's what you need to know. Best way to pay your clients is through crypto. So you're helping people from different part of the country to different part of the world, and easiest way to pay them is through crypto. Okay, USDT. And to avoid transaction fees, use the BSC network on centralized exchange for payments, or pay using the dollar tab. from a centralized exchange, which means to avoid you spending more money on transaction fees, use BSC network because if you and if you use BSC network, you will not be charged any fee to send your crypto. That means there will be no extra charges for you, and it will increase your profit. So don't use decentralized platforms like Trust Wallet or MetaMask because they are going to charge you gas fee, which will also affect your profit. So use centralized exchanges like Binance, Bitget, Bybit. You can even ask them for their dollar tag so that it will take zero transaction and fast send to anybody you're sending money to and in anywhere they are. So does this work? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It freaking work. And how do I know it work? Because I am currently doing it and I make a lot of money doing it. For example, you can see this deal here of $70. You can see this deal here of $450, $449, in $4, in 442.1. But let's say for only this $70 bill, let's assume I bought it for 1,050 naira per dollar. That means I spent some 2,500 naira and I'm selling it for what? 1,500 naira. So that means 70 times 1,500, 105,000 naira. So minus this 73,000 naira of my capital. So that means only this particular deal we are getting 2,000 naira. So imagine all of this and more I am doing. This is one of the easiest way and the fastest way you can use to make money from the Whop platform is through the Whop Arbitrage business. And this tutorial I just showed you how to go about it from A to Z. And of course, if you have questions or any place you want to make more inquiries, always drop the comments and I will give you the best fit answer. Also, if you want to reach out to me, of course, you can shoot me a DM or WhatsApp or you can shoot me an email or you can even send me a private message in the Whop platform. I'm going to give you that audience, okay, that my attention, right? So I hope you're going to use this method to start making money from the Whop platform because it's super fast. I tell you, super fast when you activate it, right? And there are other ways that you can use to make money from Whop, like content reward program, the affiliate program, and I've already shared you. I've already done a tutorial video of those processes, and you can find the link in the description of this video. Okay, so go there, watch other videos that you can use to make money from work. But the fastest way is through the Whop Arbitrage. And I hope this makes sense to you. And don't forget, this is the part 1 series. I'll be coming in the part 2 series on how to make money that fast. So if you want more series tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, share to somebody, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification so that you get updated whenever I share a new one like this one. So I will see you on the next episode of how to make money online fast. Cheers.